Naren has updated how the water focus fields work in Paragon. This will help keep listing entry easy and consistent when including this data, thereby making searching for these listings more efficient. Before we go into the system to show you the updates, there are a few important things to note. When these new fields were added, the data applicable to them in current listings was added. For example, if you selected waterfront within the lot description feature, you'll now find that yes is selected in the new waterfront field. In some instances, we have copied the data to the new applicable field, but you'll find it still included in its original field. For example, if you selected View Only in the original Water Body Access field, that has been copied to a selection of Yes in the new Water View field. If you find it correct for the listing, we encourage you to remove the selection of View Only from the original Water Body Access field. Let's go into Paragon and see the new fields in listing maintenance. The water fields are all located in the lot container. Notice at the very bottom are the original fields for water body access and water body name, both now denoted with an X to indicate that they are the old fields. If there was data in the original water body access field, the new water body access field will show as yes. Because the original water body name field was freeform, the data could not be mapped. We recommend updating your listings with the applicable selection in the new water body name field. The new water body name field is a pick list. You won't have to type out the name anymore. Instead, type just a couple of letters and select it from the list. This list is automatically narrowed down based on the state you've selected for the property address. You'll notice that based on the selections made in some fields, other water fields become required. This helps you to be as specific as possible when adding the new listing and allows for agents to easily find these listings in search. Exterior features and association amenities include water-related selections. Most of the data selected here remains, but it has also been copied to the applicable new fields. Check the data selected in these fields, and if it can be removed, take it out and simply make use of the new water fields. For the land class, you'll find water fields remain in shore rights and land restrictions. In commercial, you'll find water fields remain in transport access, and in boat facilities, you'll find water fields remain in marina amenities, description features, and slip amenities. Now let's add these fields to a search template. Clicking Search and choosing Residential will take you to your default search template. To add fields, click Customize and select Fields. Filter the list by searching Water. Check any and all of the new water fields. Click Add, and the new fields will be added at the bottom of the selected fields list. Arrange these if you wish by selecting them and using the Move Up and Move Down buttons. Then click Apply, Save As. This will add the fields to your template and then open the Save box. Provide a name and choose whether or not to save it with criteria. If there's any data you wish to have saved on the template, leave the selection of Template with Criteria Values. Lastly, if you wish for this to be your new default, meaning the search template that appears every time you open a template for this class, choose Make this my default for residential searches. Then click Save. Now you'll find that you can easily search for water views, types of water bodies, and consistent entry of water body names.